Hi, I'm Joe Coleman with those Callaways. Welcome to the virtual open house of 5921 East Grandview Road. We've got a beautiful magic zip code home for you guys to go through today. It's a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom, 2,725 square foot property. So let's get inside and start taking a look around. Welcome inside to the spacious eating kitchen. As you can see, it is a huge kitchen. It's got a wonderful eat-at granite island, hardwood cabinets, and a sunlit breakfast area. Open to the kitchen, the spacious family room is made to feel even bigger by the vaulted ceilings featured throughout the property. The open plan continues in the dining room. The home just seems to keep on going with two great and versatile spaces, this wonderful living room and the additional bonus room. The premier split plan master suite has a sitting room, a private patio exit, and is surrounded by wonderful windows. All of the spaces in the home are generous, including the master bathroom, which features a walk-in shower, dual vanities, a soak tub, and a massive walk-in closet. All bedrooms in the home feature dual-pane windows, which are featured throughout the property. And new wood-look plank flooring, and designer neutral paints also featured throughout the home. One of my favorite parts of the property is the backyard because it truly has it all. Paver walkways, a turf area, a large covered patio, and a wonderful pebble pool. Now this property has just too much to show you here today, and we would love for you to schedule a private viewing. And if you'd like to do that, give us a call anytime. Thank you.